Good morning, Clearbrook, North Dallas. Finishing up a 2021 Porsche Macan full wrap. Take a quick walk around this XPEL Ultimate Plus with the XPEL XR Plus window film with the Fusion ceramic coating over the vehicle. So let's take a walk around this thing. Obviously the full hood, it's a clamshell hood, so it includes your upper fenders, your full hood. It's about maybe an 8 to 9 foot piece, depending on how much overhang you want. And then your fenders, the lower fenders are down here, but nevertheless, it's probably the biggest the hood on the market today, and that's why it's a little bit pricey to do. And then the emblem here comes off. Everything gets wrapped around all these headlight holes, so there's no lines on top of the car, and it goes in one full sheet. So I'm sure for the price to replace this hood, it's a good idea to wrap the whole hood. We've seen people do quarters and halves. Quite frankly, I think you're robbing Peter to pay Paul. You're gonna pay that ticket later. So let's finish up here so we can get on with the day. Wrapping the full doors all the way to the bottoms, wrapping in around our handles, wrapping our up here underneath the belt moldings, wrapping in all the doors, no lines on top. Coming around, wrapping in here, everything's nice and tight. Coming around our rear quarter windows, our roof, everything goes in one section. Coming around this entry point to the rear hatch, removing our tail lights, coming in, and again coming around our rear bumper area, getting everything in nice and tight. So there it is, full wrap on the Macan. Do quite a few of these, getting our gas caps all locked in like that, coming around our doors, no edges, nothing outside. So you really should be looking for that when you're getting a wrap. If you're not going to get the life out of the film that's expected. It has to be fully wrapped in, and that gives it the full abilities. If you have ends on top of the car, for example, if we didn't wrap this, or if we didn't wrap this, it's just going to get frayed and dirty and start to peel back. And really, you should be watching for that. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. ClearBrownNorthDallas.com. 2021 Porsche Macan full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus. Have a great day.